Right here I have the end table that you're looking for. What's up guys, my name is TJ and today I'm reviewing this nice walnut end table. This looks amazing and fits my room absolutely perfect. This is going to be a really nice walnut color and it's going to give you that vintage look because you do have these nice curved edges and detail in the wood that's just going to make it pop and look absolutely fantastic. Now I do love on the shaft of this, it's really nice, it has a cool design and it's just something different and definitely brings a nice touch to the home. I have this in between my two barrel swivel chairs and it looks great. It's perfect for coffee because it's a nice height to just sit your cup down. Plenty of room too, so if you do have someone next to you, you could share 2-3 cups of coffee, no problem. It's actually almost 16 inches wide, so it's plenty of room. You can actually kind of use this as a bistro table too. You could put some hors d'oeuvres, some snacks on here and have plenty of room, maybe even some books or some nice decor. Now it's gonna be made with the MDF high engineered wood, so it's gonna be very durable and the base is actually pretty wide too, so it feels really secure as I move it around. It does have anti-tip kit on the bottom that you can install, or you can just put felt pads if you do want to slide this around so you know that you're not going to damage the floor. But I do love the anti-tip kit because you can get this perfectly level on any floor that you're going to have this on. You can put this on carpet, hardwood, in your bedroom, in your living room, dining room. There's so many different ways that you can actually use this in your home to incorporate it, but being just a small table makes it very versatile and it's absolutely stunning. I love it and it's definitely a great pick for my home. Check it out for yourself. Make sure you add this to your Amazon cart. Thanks for watching and I'll see you guys in the next video.